Here I have another brand of Calfresh Rice, Japanese. I'm gonna see how long it takes for me to filter 1.5 cup. Now I'm gonna open up this bag of rice and filter 1.5 cup to see how much impurity is inside this bag of rice. One and a half cup. This is half cup. Okay. I've already finished filtering the impurity. The ones that I filtered out are all whites. These are all the whites. They are not translucent. If they are all whites, I'll filter it. Partially white is okay. There's only one yellow. This kind of small size I'll also remove. And look at that, they're all white. Yeah, these are the impurities in Calfresh rice. These are okay. There's one yellow here. Yeah, before it disappears. Yeah, just pick it up. I think it took less than 10 minutes to filter 1.5 cup. Look at that, it's beautiful. That's it. I highly recommend that you buy this. If you make porridge, it's going to stick together. There's no separation unless it's parboiled rice. Calfresh rice is not greasy. It's just powdery. You have to wash a few times until the water is a bit clear. It's not greasy. Look at it. When you're cooking porridge, there is no separations. It's all stick together, just like normal porridge. Oh, that's a lot. After cooking, let it rest for 1 hour, 20 minutes. How much butter you have, it will rise to that level. This is no separation because this is all stick together. This is not parboiled. It's a lot of porridge for 1.5 cup. Look at that, the size of it. All the way to the top. The entire bowl. 1.5 cup of rice. That gives you that much. From here to here. Yummy. Nice.
要关注我的视频，点击
subscribe。